This is our submission for Mechatronics Exam 2. This is our setup where we have the two LEDs which will indicate whether the password is correct or incorrect based off of the input to this dip switch, where both 5 and 6 need to be up in order for the password to be correct and the system to run. This dip switch is what starts the verification of the password as well as starts the stepper motor here. The potentiometer here is what changes the speed to the potentiometer, whether it rotates a full 360 in 16 seconds or 8 seconds. We also have the motor driver here, which is hooked up to the wall outlet. Now, if I were to run this code and check the password right now, it should be incorrect, where only switch 6 is up, and the LED will light up only once to indicate that that password is wrong, and the system will not run with this incorrect password. Now, if I were to flip switch 5 up, this is the correct password. Now, both of these lights will blink 3 times, indicating the password is correct, and I will then be able to set the speed to the stepper motor with the potentiometer. That password is correct. Now the system will wait for me to input a speed value to this potentiometer. I have it on high, which means that this will rotate in a full 360 in 8 seconds once I press this button. The timestamp on the video will prove that this does rotate a full 360 in 8 seconds. Now, on top of that, between 90 and 360 degrees, the light will stay on. But from its initial starting point to 90 degrees, the light will stay off. That's 90. That's 360. And it will continue to do so until I hit this switch 4. Then the entire system will pause. Nothing will move. This indicates an obstacle is in the way of the stepper motor. Once I flip the switch back down, the system will continue where it left off with the exact same 90 to 360 degree rotation. Now I will run this code again and run it with a low potentiometer setting, which means that it will rotate in 16 seconds instead of 8. So now I will press this, correct password, press again to start the stepper motor, and now it is spinning much slower. Timestamp in the video will prove that it rotates in 16 seconds. The light also indicates that it is between 0 and 90 and 90 to 360 degree rotation, because only certain parts of this rotation need to be irrigated. I will flip the switch 4, stopping the entire system indefinitely until I flip the switch back down, and it will continue where it left off.